Just in case if you are looking for a stable ROM to use it as a daily driver, must flash this ROM on the Redmi Note 11. But you have to unlock the bootloader, right? Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. So today I got Redmi Note 11, the good mobile phone, and the ROM that I have flash on the mobile phone. Let me show what ROM I have. But first, going ahead, let me show that the fingerprint scanner is working very fast. You can see that just one tap and the fingerprint scanner is working. Now, let me show the face unlocking. The face unlocking is working also very fast and very fine. Now, what ROM is this? Let me show. Before telling you that what ROM is this, let me show that this is Android 16, right? And this is Project Infinity X, the official version, the latest one, 3.2.11 for the SPES and SPESN. This is the brilliant ROM, bugs free, coming with the Android security. The latest update, 1st June 2026 is the Android security update. I have a variant of 4 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. Making a video is not an easy job. And if you are getting help from my videos, if you want to appreciate my work, you can just like the video. Keep sharing it with others. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, click or tap the subscribe button, click or tap the bell icon, click or tap the select all. Thank you. Project Infinity X is always be faster and smooth ROM for different mobile phone, but especially on the Redmi Note 11, yes, this ROM is working very fine. The plus point is you will get device certified. Well, the ROM is not coming by default device certified, but the things to make the device certified is very easy. You can see that device is certified. I will show you how to make the device certified. There is no need to root the ROM. Well, obviously the ROM is not rooted, so the banking application will not have any issues. Whatever banking application you are having it on your mobile phone, it will run without issue and flawlessly. I hope so.
Welcome to Jazz, where customer services is up. In customer services,
the calling is working and the call recording is also working without an announcement. I connect my Bluetooth headphone.
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Wirelessly with the ROM current Infinity Project X and the Bluetooth is working fine. I make a call via Bluetooth and there is no issues. The wireless connectivity working very fine with the ROM. And I play some music also via Bluetooth. Yes, obviously working fine. Camera application all the way working very fine. You can take pictures, you can record videos, no issues with the camera. The rear camera and the front camera both are working very fine. Latest Android 16 and latest QS panel. The widgets on the QS panel all working very fine. You can check the signals, both SIM card inserted and both SIM card signals are coming fine. Project Infinity X always providing the customization. If you come to the settings and if you tap Infinity Suite, you will find here a bunch of modifications and customization that you can modify your ROM the way you like. So that's not it. If you go further, if I tap here, you can actually spoof the application which are provided in this area. Well, check it out. After flashing the ROM, come here, you will find and you will say, wow. After tapping the spoofing, you can make the device certified by checking the trickystore, and must check out the game spoofing if you are a gamer. If you find any difficulty with the integrity fix, you can come here and check it out. Redmi Note 11 officially will get updated to Android 13. After unlocking the bootloader, you can actually update the mobile phone from Android 13 to Android 16 with the latest security update. Coming here to the wallpaper and style, you can select wallpapers, whatever wallpaper you want. You can just tap the wallpaper. You can choose the photo that you have saved on your internal storage, like selecting it, and then you can actually tap the effects. You can use the effects that provided with the ROM. By coming here, you can actually tap the weather, what weather you like. You can select that. If you want cinematic 3D motion photos, you have to download something which is currently showing that. So this ROM is actually providing the wallpaper modifications also. Well, there is no doubt that the Project Infinity X Currently, the 3.11 is the 100% stable ROM. Applications you can see actually downloaded straightly from the Google Play Store. Just in case if you are an owner of Redmi Note 11 and if you are a flashaholic, flashing the different custom ROM, checking it, must try this Project Infinity X, the latest one 3.11 on the Redmi Note 11. Yes, obviously after flashing it, you will say wow, because this ROM can be used as a daily driver. Well, obviously all the latest features that are coming with the Android 16 you will find with this Project Infinity X, the latest one 3.11. Now, in case if you want to know how to flash the ROM, you can comment in the comment section, so I will make another video. We'll see you later. Bye bye.